Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Wix website to Google Search Console. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for wix.com and then you want to select which site you want to connect to Google Search Console. Now I would like to connect Google Search Console to this site, so you just need to select one of the sites. If you have like multiple sites, you want to select one of these sites. I'm going to go with this one. Now after that, what you guys need to do is it will take you guys directly to the Wix dashboard. Now what you guys need to do next is you just need to scroll down a little bit and you want to click here. It says like you want to scroll down and click on marketing. Okay, here. Okay, after guys you click on marketing, you will have to select here. You just need to scroll down a little bit and you want to search here for SEO. Okay, as you can see where it says optimize your site for search engines so more people can find it online. So you want to click on SEO and click on optimize your site, and here is the place where you can connect your Google Search Console. Now as you can see, it says here Google Search Console connect to see how many clicks and impressions your site is getting on Google. Keep in mind that you cannot connect Google Search Console if you don't pick a premium plan, I believe, on Wix. So you will have to have like a premium plan on the site. Okay, so or you have like to connect a domain name to your site. After you have done that, you want to click on connect to Google, and it's going to take you here to complete your SEO setup checklist before you connect. Click on go to SEO setup checklist, and it's going to take you guys to this page. Okay, it says here start your SEO journey to get found on Google. We'll help you get a head start with the basic of SEO so people can find this site online. You want to click on get started, and it says here what is the name of this business or brand. The name here is Make Up Toot. Okay, so after you add here the name of the business, here what does this business serve its customers. This business serves customers from physical address or within local service. This business, as you can, worldwide interacts with visitors only online. I'm going to select next. It says which keywords do you want to use in this site checklist. Okay, you can like come up with 3 keywords, for example makeup. Let's just keywords that are related to your business. I believe, as you can see, your keyword phrase is made up for a single word, which is harder to rank for. So just need to add here the keywords, 3 keywords, and click on next. It's going to take you guys to this page. Okay, so like I said, you will have to have a premium like Wix plan in order to connect to Google Search Console. Okay, just keep that in mind. I'm going to disable like Google. I'm going to disable I'm going to disable ad blocker. If you have like ad blocker enabled, you make sure you disable it. Okay, that's really important. Okay, it's going to take you guys to this page. It says see the home page's title for search results. You want to click on go for it, and what you guys need to do is just need to, for example, choose that title and click apply. For example, you want to choose the title that will appear on the Google, as you can see on search. You want to click on publish and apply and publish, and here you just need to complete these steps. It's very easy, as you can see. You can also add a description, like so search engines as you can see, this is will appear under the title of your Wix site. Okay, if you scroll down here, you will find here, as you can see, all these like 3 options here are checked. This one says connect this site to a custom domain. As you can see, that's why I told you guys you will have to have a premium. You will have to pay for premium like membership or whatever. As you can see, connect this site to custom domain premium feature. So only premium people like people that have premium like sites will be able to do this step. Okay, and the last step is to connect this site to Google Search Console. That's all you need to do, guys. Okay, so yeah, like I said, you will have to have a premium plan, and that's it. After you click on continue, it will take you guys just to your first complete your checklist. As you can see, you will have to connect domain name, which only like premium users can do this. So that's exactly, guys, how you can like connect to Google Search. If you have any questions, go to the comments below and ask me. If you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.